Hey guys, I love speaking English. Actually, I used to hate speaking English. It made me feel confused and crazy. How can I handle it? Unavoidably, English presence in my life thus evoked lots of positive emotions and dreams that I have never had. First, English brings to me fantastic friends. She is a lovely, clever, and thoughtful girl. Tristan is an awesome guy. He's funny and thoughtful. He made a great cheesecake for my birthday. Second, English makes me feel confident and believe in my life. My first customers were a Singaporean guy, and then a Canadian man, and then an Australian guy. They all love my work and pay me great money. They encourage me so much and to follow my dreams. That's the reason I love speaking English. Thank you so much, English.